Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect monday.com to SharePoint. So first, you may want to head over to monday.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, you should see this 9 dot icon. So click on it. Then next is click on Marketplace. This new window will then pop up and in the search bar, we're just going to type SharePoint. So once done, just press enter. Then now from the search results, click on Microsoft 365's SharePoint and proceed by installing the app. And to proceed, choose what type of workspace do you want to install with SharePoint. Then proceed by clicking on install. Next is choose a workspace, then choose a board. You can create a new board or your workspace board. Then once done, head over and click on add app. And when you're redirected to the automations workspace page, that means that Monday.com and SharePoint has successfully been connected. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!